I like to interact with people, especially to the young kids. The young kids are the most fragile gift that has been brought to this Mother Earth. Then when I do the storytelling, I found myself tuning in the story. Not me telling the story, but me being the story that has been told. My name is Mzwandile, the surname is Lugogo. I am a founder of the organization that calls Imbewu Yobomi campaign, in translation, which is the seed of life. What I'm doing there, I'm doing the storytelling, reading and writing, and also we do a drama, which is the performance, and also we do the meditations. We level it up with a drumming session. I believe that a child is raised by a community, or a child raised by the village. And the change that we can make is that let us make the nation bookaholic. Be the change that you want to see. That's a phrase from Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. So the person that you are waiting for to change this country, it's you.